Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I want to take the opportunity to thank Tim from Astral Auto Repair and his wife for finding all the parts I need to finish my 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. I also want to thank Cox Auto Salvage in North Carolina because they had the part and they sold the parts. You're going to see all the parts I got, and they sold the parts to Tim from Astral Auto Repairs for $26 plus tax. I thought I was gonna have to pay him $200, and he shipped it to me, and I'm trying to pay him back, and he doesn't want his money back, but I gotta pay him somehow. But anyway, Tim from Astral Auto Repairs and his wife went out of their way to find the part. About 2 weeks ago, I made a video asking for help on finding this bumper bracket. This is what holds the bumper reinforcement, and I checked all the junkyards up here. I even emailed some of the guys on eBay that had parts for this car, but nobody was willing to take this part out. But Tim, thank you, and Silvia, thank you for going out of your way. I'm gonna show you, how rusty, and this one is so rusty right here. This is the one I took out. This is the one that was cracked. This is New York for you. And check this out. This is North Carolina. This thing is brand new. Look at this. Both of them look this new. They also got me this is what goes in the bumper reinforcement. They also have got this for me. And this is the bracket that holds the bumper in the side. And believe it or not, this little thing alone, some people had it. It's hard to find, but two guys had it. One had it for $50 and another one had it for like $40. And Tim, all those stuff I show you, all this, and the two brackets for only $26 plus the shipping and handling. So thank you, Tim. Thank you, Cox Auto Salvage, and thank everyone that helped me out, that even comment on it. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to put that bracket back. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.